What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Phones and Drones. So I want to bring back our Tesla feature spotlight segment that we have done from time to time in the past. And I want to bring it back starting with our 2024 Model 3 refresh long range variant that has some newer features that a lot of some of the other prior ones still did have with a proper power lift trunk. So yes, this is that new software update that they rolled out that enables you to stand behind your trunk for a few seconds and it will automatically lift for you and unlock if you have bags in your hands or you just are not able to press that button or get to your phone key in order to open it. So it's a quick toggle in the settings. We'll show you how to do that and then show you actually how it works. This video is going to be short and sweet today. Thumbs up this video, subscribe to the channel to get ready for all these spotlight videos that will be coming. Let's jump into it. Okay, so in the Model 3, it is literally as easy as going into your settings, going under locks, scrolling down a little bit, and you will see that new option for hands-free trunk. If you're wondering exactly how to do it, you can click on the information bubble, and as you can see, it says stand still behind your trunk with phone key unobstructed. Listen for chimes. Trunk will open on its own, and it does require iPhone 11 Plus with nearby interactions on for Tesla. So once you actually enable this, I do want to show you what nearby interactions look like on my iPhone. I'm going to go ahead and go into settings for you all right here and then go into applications, and your iPhone might look a little different. This is running iOS 18, just so you guys know. You're going to go ahead and go down to Tesla, and when you click on it, you will see that option right there for nearby interactions. So as long as that is enabled, your phone will work for what you need it to do. Now, once that's done, everything's enabled, this is turned on, you're good to go. And as you can see, all you do once you stand behind it, the trunk will open and you're good to go. So there you go. It is literally that easy to get set up. Just a couple button presses and one toggle, and you have your automatic open trunk as soon as you stand behind the vehicle for a couple seconds. I think it's one of those reasons how Tesla just differentiates itself from the market with their software updates and add-on features just like that. Let us know in the comments down below. Are you utilizing this feature? Do you like it at all? I'm very curious to know. Also, do you like these segments? Do you want us to continue? Comment down below. Let us know. Thumbs up this video, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.